Hey y'all, welcome back to Southern Mama's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make grandmother's not so secret dressing. For this recipe you're going to need 2 pones of cornbread. That's what you call 2 skillets of cornbread is a pone. You're going to need you 2 to 3 biscuits, about 10 farm fresh eggs if you can get them, celery seed, of course salt and pepper. What would a Southern Mama's recipe be if it didn't have at least 2 sticks of butter melted, cream of celery and cream of chicken, onions, and some chicken broth. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take our hands and we're going to crumble all this cornbread up. If you've got little ones in the house that have clean hands, this is an excellent opportunity for them to get in the kitchen and y'all can both learn together. You're just going to break all this apart until it's really fine. When it comes to the biscuits, you're just going to shred those up too. And this is how this should look when it's done. You want to go through and make sure you don't have any big lumps. We want everything to be small and fine. So you want to just mush that all in together, and then you want to just start adding all of your other ingredients. And yes, you're going to mix this with your hands, and it's kind of gross, but it works the best. So this is cream of celery. Now you can make your own cream of everything, but I don't want to. This is cream of chicken. I didn't have as much onions as I thought, but it's okay, it'll be fine. We're gonna add a sprinkle of celery seed. How much? I don't know, that feels right. Big old pinch of salt, good pinch of pepper, melted butter, because butter makes it better. And then I've got 10 eggs that the girls laid just today. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of those in. We have added everything except the chicken stock or chicken broth. Normally I would use homemade, but I'm out. I'm going to start off by pouring about half of this in here for now. We're going to mix it up and see how it looks. I mentioned the girls laying some eggs. We're going to have some additional farm content. If you'll look at the farm on 158, that's going to be our farm page. And we're going to show you things about how we raise our chickens. We do use some of our chickens for meat, but we mostly use them for eggs. We're going to show you things about how we're learning how to garden, and I'll be taking some of those things that we grow in the garden on Southern Mama's Kitchen and showing you how to can them. This right here feels a little bit dry, so I'm going to go ahead and add. This is why you use your hands. I'm going to add the rest of that chicken broth because it should be fairly runny because you're going to bake it in the oven for quite some time. But don't worry, it will be moist and perfect and delicious. So this is about the consistency that you want it to be. It looks disgusting, but I promise you, it is going to be delicious and you will love it. So we're gonna cover this with some aluminum foil, put it in the oven, 350 degrees. You could try 400, it really doesn't matter. You're gonna cook it until it's set. And we're going to stir it about every 15 minutes or so that we can make sure it's done all the way through. This is going to cook for about an hour. All right, this has just come out of the oven, steamy and beautiful. And yes, there is a lot of crustiness on the side of the pan. It will be a pain in the butt to clean, but so worth it. Super hot, moist and delicious, and as always, made with extra love.